Michael's joining us now, and I would assume you would agree with that. I know you've been talking about more rain here in our neck of the woods.
Yeah, absolutely. We are not done with the rain. We picked up a ton of rain yesterday, and we're just going to keep adding on to these impressive totals that we saw. If you were with us yesterday, you heard that yesterday was the rainiest day of the year so far. Got 0.83 in Bakersfield, and then added another 0.02 on top of that after midnight. But look at these totals. Almost 2 inches of rain toward Wofford Heights, Tehachapi over an inch. Really healthy rain for almost the entirety of Kern County. The exception, our desert communities really missed out on this one, but there is more rain on the way and the potential for some heavy rain once again. And with that potential, the National Weather Service offices, several offices across the state of California, have issued flood watches ahead of our next systems here. You can see all those green shaded areas, included all of our valley locations, are under that flood watch, given the potential for additional heavy rain. I do want to clarify, though, that this next system heading our way is not that additional heavy rain, at least not for us here in Kern County. We can see again that system off the coast. That's pretty light, and you can probably tell just by looking at that. There's not too much going on there. We don't expect much with that next wave of moisture. It is going to start to move our way as we head through the night tonight. By about midnight tonight, already some scattered light showers working into Kern County, and that's about all we're going to see from this. Just scattered light showers, maybe a couple snowflakes for our higher elevation communities, on and off through the day tomorrow and into tomorrow night. So I think at best case scenario, picking up maybe 1/10 of an inch of rain out of this. This is just going to be a light rain. The bigger rain is going to be coming later in the week, and we'll time that out for you in a little more detail in just a second here. Rest of tomorrow's forecast, not too much going on. 54 degrees, your high temperature in Bakersfield. Just kind of a gloomy day with those on and off showers. Winds a little bit gustier in eastern Kern, which is typical, and the air quality a little bit better. In the moderate range, and for the first time in a long time, no burning unless registered, compared to no burning for all. Quick look at the day planner before we get into the 7-day here. Again, scattered light showers all through the day. Better chances are going to be probably before sunrise and as we get a little closer to sunset. Friday, lingering showers not out of the question, but it's Saturday. That's the day we have to watch. 80% chance of rain, potential there for heavy rain. A quick look at that system. I think probably between about 1/2 inch and 1 inch for the valley right now. Of course, that may change as we get a little closer to the weekend, but it's going to be a wet start to the new year and potentially more rain after that Tuesday into Wednesday. A lot to keep an eye on over the next 7 days. We could very well be ringing in the new year with rain falling here in Kern County. Mountain communities, we're looking at a good chance of rain for Saturday as well. That is going to be the day to watch all through Kern County. And once again, we'll keep an eye on Tuesday, Wednesday. At this point, it looks like fairly warm system, not looking at too much in the way of mountain snow, but of course we'll be tracking those snow levels and those rain amounts closely and keeping you updated.